Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae here to do yet another Brown Sugar Babe haul. Today we are unboxing the Paris Collection, and I'm super excited because je m'appelle Berry. Let's get into it right away. Let's go. If it's your first time here, be sure that you are subscribed down below so you could be notified every time I upload, and let's get started. So here is what it looks like. It is the PDM Paris Collection. All right, so here is the pamphlet, and it says, the PDM Collection is a luxurious French-inspired fragrance collection reimagined for the culture, featuring sweet, bold, and smooth notes that leave an unforgettable trail. All right, so the first one is the scent Halo, and as you can see, the notes are on the screen. Super different than what I'm used to. I don't know half of these things, but so Halo is considered a soft, luminous blend of white peach florals and a warm musk that wraps you in an effortless elegance. So, is it giving elegant? Let's see. First sniff. Ooh, I definitely smell the peach. Ooh. This reminds me of something. I can't quite put my finger on it. So it is for sure peachy and floral. It is a definite spring summer fragrance. Immediately I smell the peaches, but not in a super tart way. It smells very soft and warm like it says. I smell the peaches and I smell the floral. I think it's a cute fragrance. Is it something that I already have? I don't think it's something I already have because it is sweet and warm, but it's also a little bit masculine with the musk. I actually like this. I'm gonna give this a cute 8 out of 10. Is it something that you should pick up? I think so. I think it's really easy to pair this with a lot of different fragrances because a fragrance could have the sweet from the fruit, the warm from the florals, or the warm from the musk. So I think this will go with pretty much kind of any fragrance if you ask me. This is kind of like one of those like mystery ones where you don't really need to think twice about what you could pair it with. I think it will pair with almost any perfume. I'm gonna give Halo an 8 out of 10. This next one is called High Note, and High Note is classified as a bold mix of vanilla, cinnamon, and praline layered with smooth woods and musk, made to own every moment. And it is inspired by Altair. Never heard of it, but I like the notes. I love a good cinnamon, vanilla, and praline mix, so I obviously think this is gonna be super sweet and give like a caramel macchiato type of vibe. Let's get into it. Ooh. Ooh, this kind of smells masculine. Wait a minute. Oh wow, that smells really good. It definitely has of a more cologne feel. I like it though. Okay, the description does say that it is bold, and it is definitely bold. This is not for the girl who likes to play it small. This is for the one who's going to step in the name of love. Okay, it's a very bold signature type of oil. I would see this paired with something strong and powerful like YSL Libre or J'adore by, is it J'adore Dior? One of those very specific, or like Chanel Mademoiselle. Like, it is a very specific type of oil that you wear with a very specific type of fragrance. I would pair this with that fragrance that everybody knows, like a Prada Paradox. Like, this is a very specific type of boldness in a fragrance. I actually really like this one. It kind of leans a little bit more masculine as well because of the wood and musk, but I actually like this. But I could definitely see you sharing this with your man. If you are the type of lady, you want your man to smell just as good as you, let him borrow a little bit of this before he put on his cologne. You won't regret it. I'm gonna give this a 9. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I actually really like this, and I think I will be reaching for this specifically on those nights where I want to smell amazing the whole day, the whole night. This is a really bold, it's a bold and beautiful type of oil, and I like it. I'm gonna give it a 9. This last one is called Scent of a Stallion, and it is categorized as a rich, addictive blend of almond, sandalwood, amber that moves with power and ease. So I think I'm gonna like it. I love when scents have almond. They just do something to me. So let's get into Scent of a Stallion. Oh wow. Oh wow. Whoa. Okay. Hold on. reminds me of something that I smelled growing up. It reminds me of a scent that I know from growing up and I don't think I like it. It smells good, but it doesn't smell like me in my scent profile. If you are Haitian, you kind of know what I'm talking about. There was a very, very specific lotion that our parents used to wear back in the day. This kind of smells like that. But the better version of it, it doesn't smell bad. It just doesn't smell like something that I like smelling like. I'm trying to figure out what is in here that makes me feel that way. There's cypress, bergamot, heliotrope, jasmine, lavender, bitter almond, vanilla, amber, sandalwood. I'm gonna put my bet into the cypress and the heliotrope. But heliotrope is a flower and bergamot is a fruit. I don't know. I don't not like it, but I don't particularly love this particular one. I don't love it, but I don't not like it either, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna give this one a cute 6 out of 10, simply because I don't think I'm going to truly wear it to the best of my ability, because it's not something I'm super in love with. Like, this doesn't stand out to me as something I'm gonna grab regularly. And again, everybody's scent profile is different. If you are familiar with the notes of cypress, bergamot, and heliotrope, jasmine, lavender, bitter orange, amber, vanilla, sandalwood, you may like this again. So that is the 3 from the PDM collection, the Paris collection. All right, so if I had to choose one for you to get out of the 3, I would definitely recommend you get Halo. Halo is very soft, very feminine, very sweet, and it smells really good. It smells kind of like angelic, like the name Halo. It's very soft, and I think it will go with any perfume you have. How did I even miss that there's something else in this box? Oh my gosh, the Paris collection. What do we call this, a beret? My mom has this. A beret. Is it giving? Can I wear it today? I actually have something to go. Gloves! Oh my gosh, I'm going to a tea party literally today. Am I going to wear this? I hope my nails don't scratch it. Oui, oui, je m'appelle Berry. Comment ça va? Ça va bien et toi? Ooh. What outfit could I wear? Because this is black and this is, it's a tea party. Oh.